Hey everybody, Synodoi, fellow travelers. We are headed to Utz Campground in, where's that at? Fancy Gap, Virginia. And we got Lucy back here, we got Susan, we got me. And so this one, what'd you say we're gonna call it?
This is going to be Chainsaw and Sunsets, because we're taking the chainsaws to cut down some trees, and we're hopefully going to get there in time to see sunset off of our property. So yeah, chainsaws and sunset.
Yeah, so chainsaws and sunset, and we got our what's this? 2026 open range Colt DB28, or excuse me, 26 DB.
It's right at 30 foot long.
Yep, trailer. And it's loaded up. We got all our clothes in it, hygiene supplies, food, lots of things. And so the plan was have it all ready to go when we get home from work on Friday. And so we're about there. We're 5:37.
We did well.
Yep, and we're pulling out. So we got, yay! So we got everything ready to go, and we will see you in the next clip. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, what is it? What is it? Huh? That is Pilot Mountain on our way off Highway 52 in Pilot Mountain, North Carolina. So the weather is a little overcast, a little rainy, and this weekend it's calling for rain all weekend, but we don't care. We still gonna have fun. We still go camp. We go camp in the rain and learn some more skills and just have fun with it. But I think I was saying, we got chainsaws and sunset weekend. We're going up to our mountain property in Ararat, Virginia, which is near Volunteer Gap off of the Blue Ridge Parkway. And we're going to cut some trees down. And the lot up there is almost 4 acres. And it's got great long-range views of the mountains. And the lot was cleared previously, but there's a couple of, 40, 60-foot trees that are in the area where we will want to build and put our driveway. So we're going up there this weekend. Yep, and our goal is to cut a tree down and chop it up. And if we cut down 2, 3, she's over here like, pop! So we're gonna start with one.
Why limit yourself?
Right?
I mean,
but see, if we do 1 tree a trip, then that means we get 20 trips.
That's too long.
We get to come up here 20 times.
No. We need to think higher.
Think higher, yeah.
I believe in you.
You get a multiplier.
I believe in you.
I believe.
You can do this.
Yes. So we've got 4 chainsaws, so maybe we should do a tree per chainsaw.
I mean,
yeah. So I don't know. We're gonna start with 1. So
at a time.
Yep. And I've cut trees down in the past, but these will be bigger trees. So.
Yeah, but you don't necessarily have to worry about where they fall, because there's nothing for them to fall on.
Just not on us.
Right.
Yeah. And we don't want branches to fall. We don't want them to fall and hit another tree and knock branches down on us. So.
No, but we're going to do this.
So we're wise. We're gonna be safe. We
He's
have
got
precautionary.
chaps and a helmet and all the things.
We got some tools. I look like an amateur weekend warrior, but hence the hence the 1 tree at a time. But yeah, it'll be fine. I know how to notch trees and I'm pretty wise about it. So
for Christmas, the
I'll be
kiddos
safe.
got him some supplies for cutting trees.
Yes, they did. Yeah, so that was awesome. I got a really nice axe and some wedges. This road's a little bumpy, and we got our saws, and so it'll be fun. We'll fall in some trees.
Timber.
Or falling.
Dropping.
We're falling them.
We're dropping trees.
Yeah, falling some trees.
Not falling.
That's the terminology.
Is it?
Yeah.
I think that was a Jackism.
No, it's really, you have to look it up.
Okay.
I don't know if I said it right, but I think it's falling. You're falling at some trees. Yeah. But yeah, so this is our weather. Right now it's not raining, but it is definitely overcast and cloudy, and it's supposed to rain a little bit every day, so we're just going to go with this. But anyway, that's where we're headed, so we will give you a few updates, and we're probably about 30 minutes maybe from Ut's campground in Fancy Gap, and we're looking forward to getting there and setting up. Those folks are really nice. There's also a Campground of America close by too that we stayed in.
I do really like the KOA there because it's shaded and it's just nice.
Yeah.
There's things to do there. Ut's is nice, but it's just open space.
It's an open campground, and there's
yeah.
They each serve their purpose and their clientele.
Yep.
Yeah. But it's cool. So we'll see you in a little bit as we're getting passed by all these motorcycles. Check them out. Brum brum. Nice. Smoking. Alright, so we Googled it up. What is it called?
The correct term is felling. F-E-L-L-I-N-G. It says you use a tool or a saw to fell a tree.
We fell in it.
While a tree that falls on its own, like from a storm, is considered a fallen tree. The person performing the cut is professionally known as a timber faller.
I'm going to be a timber faller, and you're going to be a timber faller. We timber falling, and it's going to be felling.
Felling.
We're felling, not felon.
Or you're going to fell a tree.
We're going to fell a tree and felling. So we're going to be doing some tree felling. Tree felling. All right, so get ready. It'll be a little bit later in the video though.
Yeah.
Yeah, so bye. Bye. We are winding up the mountain road. And all the trucks are in the right lane. It's making her nervous. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's pretty. Beautiful. It's cloudy. It's kind of overcast, but it's still beautiful views out there. Wow. And we are about 5 miles from our turnoff. We're getting close. So when we get to the top, we actually go under the Blue Ridge Parkway on this section of Highway 77. And we're only going 60 right here, but all these vehicles are struggling. The bigger trucks are dropped down a gear to climb. So we are driving a 2025 Chevy Silverado. It's got a 10-speed Allison transmission in it, so it pulls very easily. Pretty cool. I like it. We're getting the right lane. I'm getting the middle lane now. And we're almost there. I think around the corner is a parkway. We're coming up on it. Almost. Pause it for just a minute. Just a little traffic for you. Ain't nothing like navigating the mountain road 3 wide with tractor trailers everywhere. Making my wife nervous. Look, are you nervous, my love? She's like, I'm a little bit nervous. Ah, here it is. The Blue Ridge Parkway. We're going under it. Right here. Not this one, but this one right here. Awesome. Alright. As soon as we go under the parkway, we're going to turn right and exit into to Fancy Gap. Oh, look at the sky open up. Wow, that's so pretty. It cleared right up. Blue skies are starting to come out. So pretty. Awesome. Here we are, Fancy Gap. And Hillsville is to the left, 8 miles. Welcome to Fancy Gap. We'll go to the right. I like that. He is not here, he is risen. That's right. So Utz Campground is not even a half a mile short of the Blue Ridge Parkway. It's actually on the north side of the parkway. So straight ahead up the hill, up there is the parkway. And then this is Utz Campground here on the left. So we gotta wait for these cars to go by. Alright, here we go. This is our chance. Awesome. So here we are. Yeah, and as you come up the hill, right here, you got a bunch of places over here under the tree. You got the main office. We're getting here late, so it's closed. We are 7:30, and then our spot is literally right here in front of that RV. So it's right there. It's spot 20, and we're going to pull around and get our spot. Yay! We made it! We made it, baby! Say hello, Lucy. We made it! Yay! Say meow! 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 Wow.
She says you're crazy.
Alright, we'll be back. Bye. Hey everybody, well we got up here and we're all set up. We're right across from the main office up there. So you can check out our setup here. Making memories one campsite at a time. Jackatuzen. Synodoi, fellow travelers. So we've got it leveled and leveled side to side. We have some blocking on the front here. Blocking up under each corner over there. Lowered the steps so they're flush. And it's flush with the bottom of the door sill. I let the awning out just because it's been raining and it lets it dry out a little bit. And then we have direct gas, so I cut the propane on. And this is our grill. So we have our little setup here. It's just a little 10-foot connection. Our power. Yep. Got our water connection set up. And Susan, she asked me if I turned on the hot water heater. So yeah. And then over here, there's a whole bunch of folks inside playing bingo. Friday night bingo. Hello, beautiful. Look at that mountainous backdrop. That's so pretty. What you think?
I think I want to go to our property and watch the sunset.
Ooh, so we'll go right up to our property and check it out. All right. And we got to get something to eat too because we haven't eaten nothing. All right. Well, there you go. Awesome.
Hey, pretty dear. You're so pretty.
Hey there. Hey there.
Pretty dear.
Yeah, look at that. Right here on the side of the road. Love the nature.
Yes.
So nice. We're up on Blue Ridge Parkway now. We're headed to our property, which is about 7 minutes away. Yeah. And little deers, they're everywhere. We done passed, I don't know, probably 30.
Yeah. Easy.
Hey, so we're back, and if you're watching this video, you just saw one tree fall. What do you think?
I think that's great. I think we can do all of them. I think we just come back tomorrow with a crazy obsession to cut down as many big ones as we can.
We'll drop as many as possible.
Mm-hmm.
And there's about 20 bigger trees over here. Let me back up. So, oh, we can show the one little bit of a clearing now.
One clearing.
Yeah.
So now it's the middle.
Look.
You can at least see.
We have this much room clear, and you can see the mountains in the back. Mountains are actually
They're very.
the mountains are back up here, and they go all the way around.
But you can't see them from the cloud cover today. But
Can't see them right now. But
yeah, all those need to go.
Yep. And then all this growth down here.
That's new within a year.
That was a year of growth right there.
That's
wild.
Get over how quickly that.
Yeah, it grew pretty fast. So.
Gots to go.
Yeah.
Gots to go.
But it's exciting. I've been wanting to cut trees down since we bought this place. So it has begun. It's begun, honey.
I love it.
Yes.
Now we just have to figure out what to do after they're all cut. Like, how are we going to get rid of them? They can't just stay there.
Yeah.
That's going to be the next challenge. Cut, and then
we have a plan.
What do we do with them?
Yeah. It may or may not involve an excavator. And it may or may not involve a track skid steer. But yeah. To be continued. Oh, I got a bug. Alright, bye. Or we'll be right back. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. It gets dark all of a sudden. But we are leaving the property. We will be back tomorrow. Yep, you guessed it. It is raining, but you know what? It will stop raining soon. And we will cut the trees in.
It's cooling things down for you.
Yeah, right now it's like 74 degrees. Might be a little bit cooler. But that'll be perfect. But the goal is, we cut one tree down. So we will cut as many as we can today. And then we may saw them up, or we may leave them and come back and cut them up. But the goal is to down them, to fell them, and then we will top them up, and they stop growing and stop spreading leaves, and we clear our view even more. So yay. We are riding up the mountain to the property, and we're at the very top, almost. We're right on the back side of the ridge, so pretty cool. We were sitting here looking, and you can start to see the Blue Ridge Parkway showing up way over there. That's so cool. There's little mountain ridges back up in there. And down here, you see them cutting. And then this is the ridge straight across from us. Let's see if I pull up. Yeah. Yeah, but once that's gone, once that clears up, you'll start seeing the mountains. The hills are alive.
Sound of chainsaws.
Yeah, ring, 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 ring. It's so pretty. That is so cool, though. Look at that. It's like as the storm passes, you start to see the mountains coming out of the mist. So cool. Yeah. Sweet. All right, so we're back. It's still raining. But we've decided that one's going, and then this one up. So that big monstrous tree right there is gone. And then we're gonna cut this big monstrous tree here, and then this one, and then that one, and then that one, and so on. So we're gonna go from left to right. Woo. We just need to stop raining. So we're gonna go get something to eat and come back. Oh, guess what? Look! No rain!
Or wind.
Or wind. Yeah, we were watching earlier the tops of the trees. It was like, woo! So we are about 2 minutes away. We're headed back up here. We're gonna cut some trees down. Starting with one. See how far we get today. Oh look, yeah, we got it.
Oh, it got spooked.
It does.
I was like, why are you running?
Yeah. Every time we've come up here, we've seen deer.
Well, when it was raining.
Oh, there goes another one. I think I caught it on the camera. The paws. Come right back. So yeah, it's nice. The sun is out. It's a beautiful day. Yay. We're pulling back up here. It's a lot different now. Earlier when we come up here, it was rainy and you couldn't really see much of anything. And so now we are back. Yay. Oh look, you can see, oh there, you can see some of the mountains over there now. That's so pretty. There's still some haze. Alright. Alright. So the plan is we're going to cut this tree down first. It's a pretty big tree. 40, 60, maybe 40 to 50 foot. And then we're going to move to this one. And then this one. And then that one. And then that one. And over here they get tangled together a little bit. So we'll probably cut that one down. And then this one that's leaning right here. And then this one, it could fall either way. So do that. And I might leave that little tree. That was pretty, it's not too big. And then these over here, we might or might not get to them. But we were just gonna cut one tree up. But right now I don't have any heavy equipment up here to move the trees. So we're just gonna cut them, drop them, and cut them up and go from there. But the main thing is we're gonna clear our view out and then get some dirt and excavator Yeah.
I'm curious when that one drops, what it's going to look like with all these little trees.
Oh yeah. So.
It'll start to show the first rain.
Yep. So we'll come back.
What's up? Look how much the view is opened up just by removing those few trees. We're getting there.
All right, we are cutting trees. And I'm taking a break.
He's a little tired.
So we did 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 are pretty big trees. And you'll see the difference this will make. All right, so this is our view sitting right here. And the property is down there. Where that?
Not this
where the cup
big,
is.
But the
oh
white.
Yeah, the white stake on past it. So it's way down there. Way down there. And then it goes all the way up there past those trees. But this is the, and I just dropped this tree, so I need to cut those limbs down first, really, because you can't really see. But here you go. Once these trees are gone, yeah, look at that. And it's kind of hazy, cloudy, but Blue Ridge Parkway, and that's Blue Ridge Parkway runs right there, and we're about a mile away. So we're getting it done. I'm gonna come and cut these branches all up, drop them, and then we got a couple more. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That really big one, I don't know about that one. We ain't gonna get that one today.
Which one?
That massive tree. Whoops.
It's leaning that way.
Yeah.
It's
That one up
in the right direction.
way up there. It goes right down.
This one right here
That's
is
a
leaning
pretty
this
big one.
way, but that big one's leaning at least that way.
Yeah, that's a big tree. The rest of these little ones I'm okay with. I'm comfortable with all the, 2 foot diameter. That one's like 3.5
Oh, you're talking about that one?
Yeah.
Oh, I understand. All of these you can do though.
Yeah.
But that one I understand.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one is huge.
Not today, I don't think. But yeah, making.
Y'all know anybody who can come and get these trees off the property and
want some
haul
firewood?
them? You might need some wood. Because you've got plenty of rocks up here if you just want to come pick up some rocks. If you just want to come pick up some wood.
Oh, don't say that. I'll come take my rocks. I like the rocks. The rocks are pretty. So, let's see. Look at them rocks.
Does anybody want to come and stack up some rocks?
Yeah, you stack
just
rocks.
Come and stack rocks in a huge pile. Have a boulder pile.
Yep. We'll use them landscaping when we build our house.
Yeah, but they got to be moved from
that would definitely
where they're at. So.
Got one injury. That's the degree. We figured out that's the degree of difficulty determining my injuries.
Please don't say that.
So if I'm missing a leg, it was very difficult.
Please don't say that.
Cuts and scrapes. It's taking down trees. Riding a bicycle. You got, I don't know. We ain't crashed one in. We don't want to crash one of those yet.
No.
So, but yeah, that's the running joke. Like every time I do a maintenance project at home,
he's hurt himself.
I always get cut or something happens. Bruises, scrapes, injuries, something.
Rips a fingernail.
Yeah, break a rib or something. Nah, that's only at work. But yeah. Oh, there's deer. Look.
Oh, he's walking across.
Let's see if we can get her. Oops, there she is.
You gotta be careful.
Yeah. Up right there. She's easing up.
She's like, wait.
She's walking right up to us.
This wasn't here before.
I might have to run.
She must not see us.
No, she sees us. That's their path, though.
Well, we've obstructed their path with fallen trees.
Yeah, let's see if I can. She's trying to ease over here. Oh. She's just going across there. They're trying to figure out, they're like, who's up here cutting stuff down? Oh, but yeah, we're taking a break. So
he's deserved it.
Yeah, look, I get a win every now and then. She gets a win all the time. Winner, winner. I'm the winner here.
Good job.
Yep. Oh, so until we cut those trees down, I'll come back after I cut all those limbs up and then take out a couple more, see how far we get. So we had some friends come up and we're just hanging out talking, and just love being up here in the mountains. It's just so wonderful. And look, the storm's rolling in. I'm starting to get rained on. We dropped a bunch of, just so beautiful. So here's the rain. Over there's where we were. And then as soon as we get back to your camper, it clears up a little bit. There's another little bit over that way. But then over here, all clear. So we may go back. We may be able to get some more done today. Right on. Good times. Hey girls, Lauren, Natalie, Colin, and Philip. Y'all are gonna be the first ones to see what we have done. You ready for this? Are you ready for this? We cut down a lot of trees. I don't know if you can see if it's doing any justice. I'm trying to figure out how to spin this around for you, but maybe I need to
start it out that way.
Yeah, because it don't want to. Hey, Lauren, Natalie, Colin, Philip. Look at the view. What you think?
I'm excited. Yeah.
Yep. This is amazing.
Your dad cut down a whole lot of trees today.
15 trees.
Yes, you should have seen him. He was having fun with the chainsaws.
Yep, I'll try to show you a little expanded view over here. I don't know if y'all, the camera doesn't do it any justice.
Yeah,
but,
just flip it around.
Yeah. And it's foggy, hazy day.
Yeah, it rained a lot this morning.
Yeah, so cool. Bye. Here we go. This is the other view. And we got all these trees. 15 trees, man. Woo! Look at that view.
You guys get to come clean up all the branches, right?
Yeah,
Is that
there you
how
go.
it goes?
We cut them down.
We cut them, they clean them. I think that's
Yep.
how it goes.
Calling all the familia. You ready to get some trees up?
No, I wouldn't expect them to do that.
Nah. But yeah, check it out. I know. So beautiful. Bye-bye. Look at that view. Night sunset. It's going down right over here.
We got some more trees to cut
Yeah,
down to see it.
right
Man.
there. You can see it. So, right there. So we'll cut them trees down right there.
Exactly right.
But the other times it's setting, sunset's right there. But I guess this time of year it's right there. So, and honestly, 2 years ago those trees were down here. So, but yeah,
I just gotta go.
I gotta go. Look at that.
I know a guy.
I know a guy too. I know a girl. Yeah. But that right there, that's incredible. And then here, I'll walk right over for a second. Over here is the Piedmont. Oh look, right here's a deer. Look. Look at it. It's right here at us, man.
Right on our property.
Yeah.
It's like it knows where the driveway's gonna be.
It's right there where I was cutting the tree down. There's so many deer. Like they just, yeah, right here. Hey little deer. But this right here, right over here is the Piedmont. So when we cut these trees down, hey little deer, you'll be able to see.
Blinking lights out there.
Oh yeah, a little one right there. There's so many deer up here. But when you come over here from this angle, and our house is gonna be out here, so you'll actually see these views. So this is, you could kind of see, this is the Piedmont. It's back towards Mount Airy. And once those trees are gone, you'll have an unobstructed view. But this is our sunset. Hey, come here, babe. Look at that sky. That's incredible. Look at that. There we go, flip it.
We're not as pretty to look at as that is.
Yeah, but that's why we got this property.
Yeah.
So, chainsaws and sunsets.
That's what this weekend's been about.
And then if we spin it, you can come back every a little bit. Just a little bit.
I wonder if you go out that way, you can see it.
Yeah. Probably. We got it. Woo.
You go in that clearing right there?
Yeah, you might be able to. That's okay. So I'm going to show you from up here about what it looks like realistically, the view dimension wise. So this is zoomed out, but what we actually see is about like that. So this is standing here, this is what we actually see with our eyes. That's the depth perception. But we just have this whole field view. So you can see like all of this. But it looks like we're this close. That's what it really looks like. There's our sunset. The clouds starting to come back over, but yeah.
It just feels so good.
It does feel good.
Look at the wind through the trees. Not going to be there much longer, but...
No. It's like being at the beach, man.
It really
we
is.
Got a
you
breeze.
get the breeze just like the beach, but it's cool and there's no sand and grit. It's just... so much better.
Yeah. So
no hurricane insurance.
No, we don't need any of that. So all those trees we cut down. We're standing on the back of our truck, by the way.
Yeah. We tried to get an elevated view.
Yeah, because of those trees. Some more trees to cut down. Let's see. And this is what, like, this is about, that's what we see. Like, yeah, that's kind of, that's about what the view is from right here, depth perception wise. But you just see everything. So this is zoomed way out. Yeah, so anyway, I've made a bunch of videos. We're going to put them all together. They're not edited. They're just pretty much run together. So I hope you like it. So today, this weekend, was chainsaws and sunsets. And so we got a little bit of sunset.
And a
lot of chainsaws. So anyway, thanks for watching. And all these stumps. The stumps tell the story. And got some more to go. We're going to take all those out next time. And some of this stuff right here beside of us. But yeah, great day. Great weekend. Yeah, it's just beautiful.
God is good.
Yep. God is good. See you later. Bye. It's cool to see the mist coming over those little mountain ridges.
Mm-hmm.
A little light up there on top.
Look at the moon, like directly above.
Got the moon up there.
You just feel your body relax.
Mm-hmm. You just feel the wind blow, and so nice.
The wind blowing through the trees almost sounds like the waves in the ocean.
It does, yeah.
Reminds me sitting out on the balcony of our cruise ship.
Mm.
The waves in the distance. Here, the waves. It's very similar to the way the sound of the wind blowing through the trees out here.
Yep. I don't know if it's picking up on the audio, but you can just hear the wind. Just so relaxing.
Mm-hmm.
And I got a little breeze. I don't know if you can tell my hair, but you can see the little leaves up there rustling. That's so pretty. You see all these lights are starting to show up now. This camera does not do it any justice. Like, there's so many lights starting to pop out now. There's a cluster right there.